This recipe combines ingredients that can support reproductive health, including potential benefits for sperm production thanks to the nutrients in each component. Here's how each ingredient contributes. 1. Banana. Vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for energy production and can help improve hormone levels, including testosterone. Bromelain. Bananas contain bromelain, an enzyme that may aid in boosting libido and testosterone production. 2. Avocado. Healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and circulation, essential for sexual function and reproductive health. Vitamin E, known as a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect sperm from oxidative damage, potentially enhancing sperm health and mobility. Folate and vitamin B6. These vitamins support hormone regulation, important for both fertility and overall reproductive health. 3. Cashew. Zinc. Cashews are a great source of zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in sperm production and testosterone levels, healthy fats, and amino acids. These help in maintaining hormone balance and cell structure, which can support overall reproductive health. Coconut milk. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, provide quick energy and can support metabolism and endurance, which can positively impact reproductive health. Also, minerals like potassium and magnesium in coconut milk improve blood flow and circulation, which is beneficial for sexual health. Honey. It contains antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage sperm cells. Reducing oxidative stress can contribute to healthier sperm and overall reproductive function. Plus, the natural sugars in honey provide a quick energy boost, supporting overall vitality and energy. How this recipe supports sperm health. The combination of these ingredients can help with hormone balance. Nutrients like zinc, vitamin B6, and magnesium aid in hormone regulation, which is essential for testosterone production. Antioxidant protection is also key, with vitamins E and antioxidants in honey protecting sperm from oxidative damage, crucial for sperm vitality and mobility. Improved circulation is another benefit, with healthy fats and minerals supporting better blood flow to reproductive organs, which is beneficial for overall reproductive health. How to make it. Blend 1 banana, half an avocado, a handful of cashews, a cup of coconut milk, and a tablespoon of honey for a nutrient-dense smoothie. Consuming this a few times a week can support reproductive health when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.